Raja, Department of IAC, SABIT. Today I'll be explaining Web Technology Lab and its application.
Hello students. Hello students. Till now, that is from first program to fifth program, we have done with the client-side server, that is client-side programming language. From the sixth program to the 10th program, we'll be doing with or we'll be dealing with server-side programming language, that is your PHP. What is the task of your sixth program? Program number 6. We'll be going with the next program, that is your program number 6. What is this program number 6? Tells you that, and what is the task has to be done. Let's check the program. Let's check the what is it? Task of the program. Write a PHP program to keep track of a number of visitors visiting the web pages and to display this count of a visitor with proper heading. Understand? If my web page, if I open www.vtu.ac.in, if I press www.vtu.ac.in, if the user comes for the first time, the session should be increased with fun. If the user presses, the same user presses for the second time, the session should be 2. So he's telling us to keep track of the user, how many users has been used that particular website or anything web pages, keep track of it, and how many times just display within correct heading. This is the task of the program. To record that user does in a single visit, the easiest way to use PHP built-in session that you need to call session start. This is a function, predefined function in PHP where you'll be calling in your program to keep track of an that is your visitor visited to your website particularly. Understand? In our code, we'll be writing a predefined function called session underscore start. This is my predefined function where we'll be incorporating in our program in where we'll be using with. Okay, check this program. Now we are writing in PHP code, starting with in PHP code. Now already I have discussed what is PHP in your this one in your theory session. We have already discussed what is PHP, why do you need PHP, what is server side programming language, why the PHP program is being morely advanced in today's programming language. We are already discussed, we have done with that. So we all know the what is the syntax of in PHP, how to start in PHP, how to end in PHP, how to call in value, how to call in variable, how to call in array. Everything is being covered in your syllabus. Yes, correct. Okay, let's start with the session part, that is your PHP part. PHP session start function I'm calling, a function called session start I'm calling. Done. If not is set $_session count is equal to 0. I'm telling my console or telling my server to keep ready with your server or with your web pages. Yeah, maybe the visitor comes and visit your particular web page. I cannot give the negative value, so I'm giving with your positive value called 0 to keep track. Keep that value as 0. First one, yes, I'm keeping my value. If session, if there is no value, if the web pages is not been visited, it is 0. If the visitor go and visit, make the count as plus. Increment the value, and the value has been increased, and your web page count will also increase. It is just easiest code where you can write. This program is been dealing with small set of codes where he's been trying to tell you what is PHP and how to take an PHP into my programming and how to count the web pages directly and keep track of a web page and keep track of an count. Are you all getting? This is a task of your sixth program where we'll be dealing with server-side programming language. The server-side programming language, it is being done with PHP. Thank you all.